Hi all, this is Carmen, and in this video I'm going to show you my creation that I've made for Loes. We are in a swap and we decided to make a tech tech book, and tech book with pockets and stuff. So and then the binding was I've used the tape, the fabric tape from Tim Holtz. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I've made for her. First of all, I want to show you my packaging for her. I've used all kinds of sprays, disteris and oxide sprays, and these flowers are from a local store, and I sprayed them with all different colors. And I put this bow on here. These leaves are Tim Holtz 3D, and I love them. I used the stamps, the new stamps from Tim Holtz with the flowers, and these are other stamps that I've used from Tim Holtz with the numbers. This is a stamp from Tim Holtz with special delivery. This side up, no, special delivery is, I think, from Sample, but these are the rub-ons. This side up it says, and for skill and amusement only. And yeah, this is my bag that I've created for this book, tech book, and I love doing this. Yeah, so that's that. And this is the tech book I'm going to show you. I made a belly band, look, with this trim on here that I sewed on, and with these flowers that I've got from Esme. I've used as a closure, this trim, and I put on this. Oh my god, normally I can say it right away, of course, and now I'm lost the word, but oh well. And I put this charm on here that said field notes. I used my crayon on here. This is also a Tim Holtz that I've used. It says captures life's moments, and also I've used the crayons on here. And yeah, I put some thread on the sides. This dangle I've made myself, and I wrapped the beads also, and did wire wrapping. And on the side you have some trim that I've used, and when you take this off, it looks like this on the front. This is texture paste with a stencil with flowers from Tim Holtz, and this is also Tim Holtz, one of his paper cuts. And yeah, the rub-ons from Tim Holtz, fabric from Tim Holtz, fabric tape. This is from a stash. This is a Tim Holtz tag. This is a tag from a stash. I love this, it's cool. And yeah, I made it into a pocket, the first page, and this is a yeah, a tag with a stamp of Tim Holtz and the paper of Tim Holtz, and a lovely, yeah, tiny doily and a flower, and that's on a tag like this. As you can see, I printed it both ways, and you can tuck it in like this. It's a pocket. So that's that one, and I will tuck this in. I sprayed it all, and I used stamps from Tim Holtz. It's the latest one, and yeah, I will put this back. Okay, like this, and then we're going to the second page. That's this one. This is the back side, and it has one of his paper dolls, and this is I think one from, oh my gosh, not from Tim Holtz, it's no, from my stash, but I don't know what kind of brand it is. This is Tim Holtz that I tucked in here. These are all tiny ephemera pieces. This is the journal cards that I've used, and a ribbon on here, and some trim on the side. And then the second page has all layers of paper. It's journal papers, memorandum paper from Tim Holtz. It's I used my postal stamps in here, some Tim Holtz ephemera. These are photo corners that I've used and made it vintage. This is also ephemera from Tim Holtz. This is a ticket that I have in my stash. And in here I made different kind of pockets. I used this frame with lace in here. The idea I have from Loes, so thank you Loes for the lovely idea. And then you can tuck it in like this. And this one I made a long time ago. It's an ephemera card with a bee on there, and I've used Tim Holtz ribbons on here. It says number 509, and these I made myself, digital, and it says beautiful memories, and on the back it looks like this. I yeah, made like this. Yeah, I used ledger backgrounds and flourish backgrounds, and yeah, I put this on here, and specimen it says, and yeah, I love that. So yeah, I put this one in here so you can see the phrase on the side, and on the back there's a card, a journal card, says postcard. So, and then the second page has, the back page has this one. This tag I made a long time ago. I put a ribbon on here, and this one I've made also with Tim Holtz. Yeah, vintage photo it is, and it's kind of rusty. And I made this into a pocket, so like this. I put the word smile on here. This is ephemera. I stitched this lovely bird, and yeah, it's very nice. On a journal card, and it says the number on the side, a butterfly. It's all Tim Holtz stuff. Number I've got from Loes, and this is also ephemera from Tim that I've stuck in here, and this is like that. This is yeah, how do you call it? Oh my gosh, a specimen card that I've made with a dried flower. Look, that I dried myself. Look how lovely it is. I love this one. And it says field notes, and yeah, on the side I put some vintage lace, and this is I think, yeah, it's one of Artemace's pieces you can use to make these cards. And I put corrugated board on the side that I've got from Kay, so thank you Kay. And this says field notes. I think it's Artemis also, collected by, and I put a ribbon on here, a number, handle with carriage ribbon, and yeah, I loved it like this. And I love the flowers, they are so cute. This is the back. It says field notes, a corrugated board, also paper again, specimen. It says naturalists, and yeah, this one is a pocket. I put a doily on here, vintage doily that I've got from Patricia, so thank you Patricia. And I put the butterflies on here, and this envelope that I made a long time ago with my crafty sisters, and it's Artemace paper, and I made a few tiny loaded envelopes, and put this bee in here. There's a stamp that Leonie made for me, so thank you, Leonie. And I tuck it in like this. This tiny card is in there, and this honey is in there, the pot of honey. So that's that one. And I made a pocket from music paper, and you can take this tag out of here, and it says make today count. This is a journal doll, and that's a large one, and I put this flower on her. And this is memorandum paper, and I made it into a tag. And yeah, you can tuck it in this pocket that I've made, this file pocket. And I stitched it all around like this. And yeah, on the back I've made again a pocket with the cards from Tim Holtz. It says create. Put some stitched flowers on here, and I've used this tag that I've got from Loes. I put a tiny applique on here, and it says and rub on, and this hand is in here, and this tiny boy and doll is on there. And I put this tag in here that I've got from Leonie, this tag, and I put on this phrase. And this butterfly, the first I also got from Leonie, and I put it on here. This is also from Leonie. So this is a lovely tag. So thank you, Leonie. And you can tuck it in here, I think. Yeah, like this. Oh yeah. Okay, that's that. Then we have this page again. A specimen card. A specimen dried flower that I dried myself, and I put this number on here, this butterfly on here, this lace trim on the side. This is a tag that I've got from Loes, and I put this stamp on here from Tim Holtz, and the Tim Holtz butterfly, and it says fragile. And I put this tab on the side that I've got from Leonie, so thank you, Leonie. I love it. Fits in here. Rub on here, and on the back there's also numbers, a tiny piece of cloth, and this butterfly, the number, and the back side of this tag. And this is also Tim Holtz, this clasp. And on here, this one I've got from Prima Marketing. I have it for a long time in my stash, and I thought, oh, I can put this tiny wood piece on the side, this ruler, and I made it a little bit vintage with vintage photo. Put this butterfly on here, this boy that sits and rests his feet on this the pedestal, on the pedestal. Yeah. Don't know how it's in English, but you know that. The number 5 is a rub-on, and I stitched it on the side like this, and this is a pocket that I've made. And in here there are all kinds of things. Mushroom, oh my gosh. I put this thing inside, this Tim Holtz card. This card, I think it's from the old design shop that I printed. This card is Tim Holtz one. And this card says keep this book in. It's a library card that Loes, I've got from Loes. And this is memorandum paper. I put this rubber on here, and yeah, I will put this in later. And on the back side I put the other half of the doily, some lace on the side from my stash. I put this ribbon on here, this hand, and this is a stamp, and it says handle with care. And this stamp I've got from Leonie, so thank you, Leonie. And I put it in here, and yeah, this this color is also the new color. It's the Uncharted Mariner, and I love this color. It's beautiful. So yeah, this is my pocket tag book, and yeah, with this binding, you can see it on the side like this. Shabby Soul has a tutorial, and it's very easy, and I love it. It's very cool. Yeah. So yeah, I hope Loes will like it, and I will put the link to Loes, her channel, also in the description box below. I will put the link to the tutorial in the description box. And yeah, this was my video, and until the next one, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.